Hi everybody, and welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lori, and we're just going to keep on cranking them out. You know how you know that this is just the next and the next and the next? Well, because the hair's the same, the makeup's the same, and more importantly, I'm wearing the same shirt. That's right, because I'm not going to go grab something else, get my hair all messed up just to keep cranking out a whole bunch of these boxes. Look at these boxes. This is how many I have to do tonight. So I'm going to sit here. My hair's going to look like this. Get used to it. Face is going to look like this. It's probably going to start looking a little tired. And I'm going to wear the same shirt. I might take a 5-minute break in between, but I'm going to get them done. So let's crank them out. All right. This one is the IPSY Glam Bag Plus. The IPSY Glam Bag Plus is a month-to-month beauty box subscription. Costs approximately $25. It comes out to $26.98. I believe 98 cents, 94 cents. This is the IPSY Glam Bag Plus bag that we got. And it is, these are the little drawstring bags. And check, I don't mind the colors. I really don't. A lot of people didn't really care for this color scheme. I think it's pretty. It reminds me of the 70's, and this is, unfortunately, I hate to say it this way, but there's a couple of colors right here that have to do with the interior of the kinds of cars that were being driven in the 70's. I hope I'm not giving away my age here, but the blue is beautiful. My mother used to wear this quite a bit. This is kind of like that orangish peachy color. A lot of times you'd see it in the halter tops. Okay, now we're just going down a whole different road. So let's get inside here. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh my goodness. Sometimes I should probably wait or look at what's inside my bag before I go shopping for the add-ons, because I end up getting them twice. Be present is the theme for November 2020. We're already into December. It's December 4th on a Friday. It's a Friday. Is it a Friday? No, it's a Saturday. It's December 5th. I'm going to have to correct the date. Don't worry about it. Anyway, the Be Present for November 2020. They're not giving you a list of items that is featured inside your bag. I wish they would continue to do that, but I'm sure they have their reasons, and there's a rhyme and reason for everything. They just don't invite us to that meeting when they make those decisions, and that choice came down. If I could put my 2 cents in, IPSY, I would really appreciate it if you would put the list of the items back inside the card so I don't have to do a whole bunch of research. Okay, the first item is from Chic, and I already have this. This is that mascara concoction machine, lash curler, and what else does it do? It is a mascara curler lash enhancing Good Vibes mascara. Curler lash enhancing mascara. How does that sound? Okay, I already have this. I do not use it. Probably should have given it away in a giveaway. This will go in a giveaway. It looks like this. Love the company. I love Chic. You pop this lid off. You flip this up. Wait a minute. How does it go again? That's right. You flip this down. And see that green thing? That curls your lid. Unscrew. And there's your mascara. So you basically have 2 tools in one. You got your mascara, and then you got your curler all in one. And then we have another item by item. And this one is a lid glaze. And this one is a different color. So the one prior on the add-ons was Lunar Drop. And then this one here is Desert Desert Weekend. So the one that I have here in the in the Glam Bag Plus is Desert Weekend, and then this one is Lunar Drop, the one that was empty. Oh, now this is a little bit better. This is a little bit better. Very dry, so I'm not sure what's going on because I can see a lot of the sponge. A lot of this. All right, now what is going on here? There we go. Maybe. You see that? There we go. Pretty. Okay. Well, there's something a little bit more promising to be said about this one right here. That one right there, not so much. I may test it later and just double check and make sure and try not to get too much air in there, because the more you pump a mascara and a liquid lip and items like this, you actually press air into them every time you pump them. So do not pump them. Turn the lid. Just a little tip from me to you. Perlice Youth Glow Vitamin C CC. So the CC is for correcting, and this is a CC cream SPF 50 with vitamin C and hyaluronic. This is the color correcting, brightening, age defying lotion. Well, it's not really a lotion, it's a cream. Just a little sample. Let's consider it a sample. And then we did get the Violet Voss, and this is the 8-color eyeshadow. I think I chose this. I'm not sure. I chose 3 of them. I know this was one. This was, is it upside down? Never mind, it's not. It's not. This is 2. And then the other one coming up. You saw that, right? Okay, that would be my other choice. So I got to choose 3 of the items in this bag here for IPSY Glam Bag Plus. And let's see, there are seven items in this bag, and I got to choose 3 of them. So you should probably join, considering you get to have 3 choices out of 7. It's not bad. It's got a little mirror. I'm going to turn it this way so you can see. It's obviously not very big, but like I said, it's got a little mirror. It did make a pretty decent size mess. I did take the product protector, the sanitary protector, off. Here are the 6 shades. As you can see, probably the Choco Latte, which is right there, made quite a bit of a mess. They're really nice fall deep, I want to call them berry type of colors. And then we have by Julep, it's an eyeshadow 101. This is a cream to powder, and this is bronze shimmer. This is eyeshadow 101. Can you see that? I'm trying to stay low. Kind of goes on like a cream. And then, everything is very light nude. This is a propolis softening toner by Pure Heals. And pretty decent size for a toner, because you don't use a whole heck of a lot of toner. I don't, on your face after you get done cleansing anyhow. But I won't be using this anytime soon. Might give it to my daughter or one of the girls, because I have so many of my favorite products, especially when it comes to toner. I am pretty picky, but I know what they say. Try it. You might like it. Your face might love it. We'll see. All right, Sugar Rush by Tarte. Check this out. This was my other choice. Do I have it on upside down? No, this is Lip Sip. Okay, the packaging is actually really pretty. However, I would not know what this is if somebody just gave it to me, because number one, the writing is black, but what it's being written on and the type of color scheme, you can't see the writing. You can't see the words. Oh, look at that. Has a huge doe foot, and I mean huge doe foot. This is Lip Sip. This is a vegan lip oil by Tarte. It's from the Sugar Rush line. So that's it. That's everything I got you guys. So that's everything inside this real pretty bag. I do like this bag. I do love the color scheme of this bag. I like the feel of this bag. At least it doesn't have combat boot strings. And I can tell you right now that the Santa Claus bag, the one 2 months ago, what was it, October or something like that, September, October, I wasn't feeling it. That corduroy bag, I wasn't feeling it. However, I really do like I said, I like the color scheme on this bag right here. I think it's really pretty. I love this gorgeous blue. It's real pretty peach color. And everything inside this bag is a go. I mean, I don't have any complaints, nothing. Nothing's empty, nothing's broken, nothing's damaged. And all the colors are something I would wear. If they're not something that I would wear, I easily could pass it on to anybody or put it in a giveaway. So IPSY Glam Bag Plus, you guys. And that's it for the November 2020. So just hang tight, and I'm going to see you in my next video, because, and I'm going to keep on saying this, I got some more boxes to do. And I hope you guys are going to hang tight with me and just keep clicking on that next video. But before you do leave from one video to the next, give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel. Welcome, 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 welcome. I hope you enjoyed the video. I got a lot more. I know, take a deep breath. But I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.